Hey everyone, Hobby Box Break here. Do me a favor, hit that like and share button and leave us a tweet at Hobby Breaks. We're on Twitter, so hit us up at Hobby Breaks. If you haven't done so already, hit that bell right there in the bottom right hand corner. When you do, I'll get you to subscribe to our channel and let you know every time we do a cool Hobby Box, Pack 10, Blaster, Digital Wax Breakers, and Oddball Wednesday. Today we got the Star Trek Original Series Archives and Inscriptions trading cards. One inscription autograph card inside, so that's pretty cool. I think you get 2 autographs if I'm correct. It says it right here underneath the label. But these are pretty cool. I like that we did 1 or 2 of these before in the past, and we're going to see what we get out of this one. Before I get to that, though, you know what you got to do. Leave me a comment. When you do, I'm going to get you entered into 2 drawings. That's right, 2 drawings. One for our monthly giveaway, which is a tin filled of number cards, parallel cards, relics, and autographs. And 2 will be for this flawless briefcase giveaway. This sucker stuffed full of number cards, parallel cards, relics, sapphire cards, graded cards, printing plates, sketch cards, one-on-ones, and a whole boatload of autographs. Because with every break that we do, we don't throw in 1, we throw in 2. That's right, 2 autographs. And today I am going to be throwing in a Chad Subtoka auto and a Brooke Bundy autograph from the Women of Star Trek. These 2 autographs are going into the flawless briefcase. All right, let's get the show on the road and see what we get. Let's see. Alrighty. Okay. Alrighty. Box number 7027 of 7,500. Well, 7,027. Let's see if you give us something good. Here we go, pack number 1. Let's do that, that'll be easier. Boom. All right, let's get the show on the road. Pack number 1. All right. Hora, very nice. Hailing frequencies open, Captain. These are like all quotes. Okay, that's kind of cool. I am prepared. So, famous inscriptions. Archives and inscriptions. You know what? These cards even have enough space on them to get an autograph of some of these actors and actresses on here. So this would be like a good series to take with you to like a signing event. Be kind of cool. Captain Pike. It'd be bad if you got the new Captain Pike to sign on the old Captain Pike. Probably. Dr. McCoy. Marta. I think I knew I loved you from the moment I first saw you. Kirk. Alexander. I'm gonna have to say I haven't seen a lot of the original series. I've seen some of the episodes. I watched them when I was like really small, but don't remember them, of course. Bollock. I wonder how Bollock's doing today. Ooh, we got a Bollock card. Very cool. All right. Bollock Peridot. It's like a glossy card. The other ones are kind of like semi-gloss. Kind of cool. All right. frightened of it. Seems logical. I do like the new Spock for the new series. He's such a really good actor for him. The Spock in the Discovery series, it's just, you know, it's alright. The Spock for the movie, the new movie series is decent. I've been watching Discovery. It's okay. You know, the first 2 seasons, hands down, awesome. And then it just kind of went off into like this weird and mediocre type of dealio, and I was just kind of like, meh, it's okay. Commissioner Bell. Those are some big ears. Aline, and we've got, it's like a super gloss, The City on the Edge of Forever. I think I remember that episode. It's a decent episode. Futuristic. Anyways, yeah, the Discovery series, it's gold. Looks like, Ming from, oh gosh, now I'm losing my mind. Same type of genre, same type of air. From Flash Gordon, yeah, Merciless Ming. But yeah, this back to Discovery. It's just, I think it's just like kind of like ebbed out for me. Doesn't seem as good as the first 2 seasons. I enjoyed the first 2 seasons. Now it's just kind of getting meh. What's the one Scott Bakula series? I watched like 1 episode and it was just like, this is not good. All right, we got an auto. So I couldn't get into the Scott Bakula. There's Lieutenant Shaw. And our autograph is Gob with no eyes. And that is John Wheeler as Gob in Journey to Babel. Says Tellerita rule. Okay. Interesting. There's our inscription autograph. Dr. Elizabeth Dare. Hey, there's Chekhov. Shame they lost Chekhov from the new series. He's a good actor. You of the Federation, you are much like us. Core. ThereThere's an evolution of Klingons. I like the evolution of Klingon memes. It's pretty funny. Worf's like, we don't like to talk about it. Okay. Sulu. Got a parallel. William Nitz Barris. There's Scotty. I'm supposed to give us a checklist on one of these. Abraham Lincoln. I mean, yeah. There's Dila. The Keeper. Oh! That one just popped up on us. I thought it was a parallel. But a silver signature. Nice. Okay, cool. That cleaned up nice. April Tatro. April Tatro as Isis and Star Trek. Very nice. It's the signatures autographs that the silver signatures are more sought after. Very cool. It's a good hit. Nice hit. Commodore Matt Decker. Here's Sirach. Not too shabby. Ah, epic scene. I weary of the chase. Gorn Captain. Got another parallel there. There's Droxine. Very nice Droxine. Cool parallel. I think it's a parallel. Correct me if I'm wrong. Are these parallels or not? They're not inscription cards, so if I found one of the same number, I'll know if it's a parallel or not. All right. Last pack. Let's see what we get. And we've got Shana. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Here's our 2 hits. Inscription autograph from Gav and April Tetro. I'd say it's pretty good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and more Hobby Box breaks coming up. Thanks for watching, everyone.